Today, we will learn how to create trending AI images with our own face for free. Open Bing.com. Click on Creations. Write a prompt that I have given you in the description. Just change the name which you want to be written. Then click on Create. Wait a minute, AI will generate the best images for you. It gives you best result. Just click on any images which you want to download. After downloading the image, the next part is how to change your image on the AI image. For this, you have to simply go to the website named raymaker.ai. Here you have to simply upload the AI image and your image. Click on the swap. It will swap the face within a minute. You simply download the image. Now your trending AI image is ready with your own face. I will provide links of both websites in my description and prompt too. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press bell icon for daily updates.